A long time ago, owing to lack of sunlight, it was difficult to grow seeds into crops. On the day when daytime and nighttime are of equal length, Emperor Yandi decided to fly to Penglai Island on a 5-coloured bird in search of the sun, so that his people could enjoy a more bountiful harvest. After a treacherous journey, he brought the sun back and hung it in the sky. From that moment on, the earth produced an abundance of grain and people lived in joy and harmony. This day is called Chun Fen, which literally means spring equinox or vernal equinox. Chun Fen or vernal equinox falls on March 20th this year. On the day, the sun is at exactly the celestial latitude of 0 degrees. What is the vernal equinox? Vernal equinox is perfectly split between day and night. The sun shines down directly along the equator and the night and day are the same length. This day also marks the exact middle of spring. In ancient times, spring was defined as the period from the Chun or the beginning of spring to the Xia or the start of summer. Therefore, vernal equinox represents the middle point of this 90-day period. This day heralds a warm season with a gentle wind and ample sunshine. The busy agricultural period of spring, when farmers must manage their inventories, plough fields and plant seeds, is about to begin. In ancient times, even the emperor would personally work the land. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, the emperor would carry out a ritual sacrifice at the Temple of Agriculture, Xiannongtan, in mid-spring in Beijing, in reverence of nature and to pray for a bountiful harvest. Aside from making sacrifices to agricultural deities, ancient emperors also observed the tradition of worshipping the sun in spring. From the Zhou dynasty onwards, this ritual was carried out on the spring equinox. In the Ming and Qing dynasties, the emperor would visit the altar of the sun in Beijing on Chun Fen to worship the god of the sun. During Chun Fen, a special ceremony would be made to greet the swallows, in addition to expressing gratitude to the sun. In ancient times, swallows were the only birds to receive the ceremonial greeting. They are a symbol of Chun Fen and the beginning of spring. Chun Fen represents a perfect balance between the northern and southern hemispheres, as well as day and night. On this day, it would be easier to stand an egg. Therefore, balancing eggs became a way of celebrating the advent of spring on Chun Fen over 4,000 years ago, and has remained a tradition until today. Spring has come. Willows are a verdant green. Warblers fly over the grassy land. Wheat grows and flowers bloom. Go outside and enjoy the sunshine.